Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Walgreens. Now, Walgreens is a pharmacy, but they also offer credit cards. So, to be pre approved in seconds, there is no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. You can be approved up to $3,000 plus more, depending on your credit profile. Now, you can earn $25 Walgreens cash rewards when you open an account and make your first purchase within 45 days. Now, a good thing about this is you can earn 10% Walgreens cash rewards on medicine treatments, vitamins, babies and children, and wellness, personal care, and more. They also offer 5% Walgreens cash rewards on groceries and households, beauty and personal care, vitamins, over the counter medicine and home, healthcare solutions, prescriptions, copay, and more. Now, a good thing about this credit card is there is no annual fee whatsoever, which I think is always great. You can redeem rewards instantly at checkout, safe shopping, enjoy zero fraud liability, and free access to your credit bureau score. Only for your sale and deal. I like that. They also offer 3% Walgreens cash rewards on grocery stores, spa and salon appointments, pet stores, medical bills, and counseling services, sporting goods, stores and gym memberships, and so much more. And they also offer 1% cashback rewards everywhere MasterCard is accepted. Now, this credit card has a lot of great benefits, okay? And this could be a perfect card for you, especially if you have a 690 credit score. Now, I do recommend applying for this credit card again if you have a 690 credit score. Now, they do report to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Again, you can earn 10% rewards on Walgreens branded products, 5% rewards on all other brands at Walgreens, 3% rewards on groceries and health and wellness purchases outside of Walgreens. So, if you are looking for a credit card with a high limit and some really great benefits, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and make sure you also hit the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you will be notified.